If you're seeing a Leonardo AI application error, don't worry, because in most cases this is caused by a simple issue like server downtime, strict prompt moderation, a conflicting setting, or even a temporary browser cache problem. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to generating images without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy AI and software fixes. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most common reason for this error: content moderation. Leonardo AI uses strict filters to block prompts that may appear violent, copyrighted, or sensitive in nature. Sometimes even a harmless-looking word can trigger the system. For example, certain action words, references to public figures, or phrases that resemble restricted content can cause the platform to return a generic application error instead of a clear message. So if your prompt keeps failing, try simplifying it. Remove anything that could be interpreted as sensitive, rewrite it in plain language, and test again with a clean, short prompt. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. Next, if you see a validation failed message, the problem is often caused by conflicting request settings. This usually happens when your aspect ratio, guidance scale, model selection, or other generation options don't work well together. To fix this, reset the parameters back to default. Start by setting your aspect ratio to a standard option, return the guidance scale to a normal value, and choose the default model if possible. Then run the prompt again. If the error disappears, you know the issue was caused by an incompatible setting combination. Another important fix is switching the model. Leonardo AI gives you different model options like Kino, Vision, or Anime, and sometimes one model may be temporarily unstable or may not support the exact prompt style you're using. So if one model is throwing an error, switch to another base model and try the same prompt again. This is a quick way to tell whether the issue is tied to the model itself or to your prompt and settings. If one model works and another doesn't, that usually points to a model-specific limitation rather than a full platform problem. Now let's fix the browser side of the issue, because cache data can absolutely cause application errors too. If the site is loading incorrectly or your prompt keeps failing for no obvious reason, right-click on the page and choose Inspect. This opens your browser developer tools. Then go to the refresh button, right-click it, and choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload. This forces your browser to clear stored files and reload Leonardo AI from scratch. It's one of the best ways to fix weird loading bugs, stuck sessions, and invisible browser conflicts. If that doesn't solve it, try switching your network. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or if you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily. Leonardo AI may be routing your request through a path that's currently unstable or blocked. Changing your connection can refresh your route to their servers and resolve the application error immediately. This is especially useful if the site works on one network but not another. And of course, if Leonardo AI itself is having server downtime, there may be nothing wrong on your end at all. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a little and try again later. If the platform is under heavy load, you may keep seeing the same generic error until the servers recover. So if you've already checked your prompt, reset your settings, cleared your cache, and changed your connection, the issue is likely temporary on their side. So to quickly recap, simplify your prompt, reset your settings, switch models, clear your browser cache with an empty cache and hard reload, and try another internet connection or disable your VPN. Those are the fastest ways to fix a Leonardo AI application error and get your workflow running again. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.